Hi, I am Dennis Johnson from Weiss-Johnson. Take control of your comfort and health with the Aprilaire 600 flow-through or drip humidifier. Environmental Protection Agency studies show we spend as much as 90% of our time indoors. Therefore, controlling indoor air quality is essential to a comfortable and healthy indoor air environment. Proper relative humidity provides a comfortable environment for your hardwood floors, furniture, plants, pets, and especially for you and your family. Research has shown that 40 to 60% relative humidity is ideal for today's homes, but unfortunately in our harsh Alberta climate, 35% is the maximum we can obtain in winter without creating condensation issues on our windows. The Aprilaire 600 humidifier restores proper moisture levels to the air in your home, increasing your comfort while protecting your belongings and your family's health. Simple maintenance replacement humidifier pads can be purchased from our office or replaced by Weiss-Johnson service representative. This high-capacity model has an evaporation capacity of 0.7 gallons per hour and can humidify a home up to 4,000 square feet. A seasonal damper allows for easy control of humidity from season to season. The Aprilaire 600 humidifier comes with a 5-year warranty. Call Weiss-Johnson today so we can provide you more information on innovative humidification solutions with efficiency in mind.
Weiss-Johnson, Weiss-Johnson, whoa. We're proud to be local and family owned. Count on experience to speak for itself. With Weiss-Johnson, Weiss-Johnson, whoa. Striving to bring you a comfortable home. Weiss-Johnson, Weiss-Johnson, whoa.